Hey guys, it's another DIY video with us at the Carbon Connection. I'm saying us again, it's just me. Yeah, with me at the Carbon Connection. Today we're going to be doing another lighting upgrade for the E92 335. After doing the wrap, I realized that I upgraded the Angel Eye LEDs, or two LEDs rather, so they look nice and white instead of like the old yellow halogen ones. And I realized that the fogs were yellow because obviously they're the old halogen ones. So obviously to have like a uniform look, I went ahead and bought LEDs from Rennzport. Once again, Ferry coming to the rescue. And yeah, I'm gonna do a little quick DIY on how to install them. Pretty simple one. So like I was saying, we've got yellow fogs, nice bright white LEDs. Yellow fogs, white LEDs, just doesn't work. So yeah, let's get down to installing the new ones. So once again, we've gone ahead and purchased stuff from Rennzport. Top-notch quality, as always. These are the replacements. And with the error cancelers, just like the Angel Eyes. So yeah, let's get them installed. Okay, so to access the fogs, you've got to get through to them behind the front bumper. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn the wheel to the extreme right and then extreme left, just to give myself enough space to work on to get to those bolts. Okay, so I've turned the wheel to the extreme right, and as you can see, it's given me enough space to access these three bolts. And like I mentioned, you just need the 8mm socket wrench just to get those up. So I'm going to go ahead and time lapse this instead of obviously trying to do it with one hand. Okay, so I thought there were only three, but there's actually four. There's one behind here. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove that one as well. Okay, so now that we've gotten the bolt out, you just pull the fender lining forward, and that should give you access to the fog lamp itself. Okay, so as you can see, we have our bulb there with the red ring. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove that and install the new one. Okay, so this is the original halogen bulb. It's got tabs on the sides, which you'd need to push in just to remove the bulb itself. Okay, so these are the replacements. What we're going to do is we're going to plug in this connection to the original connector over here. This is the error canceller, and this is the new bulb itself. Just make sure it's clicked in properly. You'll hear it click, and that's when you know it's secured. Okay, so I've slotted in the new bulb. You can see the error canceller probably is going to sit down there. So yeah, let's go power it up and see how it looks. Okay, so I realized that I made a mistake. It's actually not 4 bolts. This bottom one here actually doesn't hold the fender lining. It's just 1, 2, and 3 up there. Okay, and that's the installation complete. So I've got the Angel Eyes on and the new LED fogs. They're super bright. I think they look pretty awesome. Okay guys, that sums up another video. If you want to see me doing the Angel Eye upgrade, you can click up over here. And obviously if you want to see our new wrap being put on, which is satin pearl white, you can click up over there. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. Your guys' support goes a long way for the channel. And of course, helping us reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers. See you in the next one.